to cooling monsters. If you're tired of sweating like you just ran a marathon in the humid weather, then let me introduce you to our fine cooling machine. CM98 Evaporative Air Cooler, straight from our legendary YETI series. The CM98 is advanced and powerful, featuring high-speed blades for maximum airflow. Direct evaporative humidification for a crisp, refreshing breeze. A high-torque motor ensures consistent cooling, while aerodynamic fan pedals distribute air efficiently, perfect for restaurants, warehouses, and many other applications too. High-density evaporative material holds more water, speeds up cooling, and maximizes efficiency for sustained comfort. First, the water pump channels water into the cooling media. Second, fan pulls in hot air, bye-bye heat wave, cools it through evaporation. Third, a refreshing cool breeze blows your way. Instant relief, all while being energy efficient and cost effective. CM98, compact yet powerful, with high quality casters for easy mobility. With 9,500 cubic meters per hour of air delivery and cooling coverage of up to 75 square meters. This beast is built to perform. No headaches, just chill. Just plug it in, add water, hit the remote control and enjoy cool air instantly.